Hello, beautiful you. Are you the woman that is so afraid to go to the hairdresser that the minute you end, you walk out? You want to get a trim, but you don't know how much you want it as little as possible, or you don't want to change. Maybe you do want to change, but you don't have no idea what do you want. And finally, you got the courage to go into the beauty salon and you say, maybe not today, another day. Well, I have a solution for you. Wait, hang in there. Well, I know you want to change, but you don't know what you want. You may want to do a haircut. You may want to change your style. You may want to change your color. You may want to change the way you fix your hair, but you have not yet an idea and you don't want to make a commitment because you're not sure. Well, I do have a solution. Now, I have solutions for you. The first things you want is you want to get some basic knowledge. Give yourself some basic knowledge of what looks good and what makes you feel comfortable. So there are two things you could do. There are lots of apps online that you can look out and you can upload your picture and you can see how you will look like in short hair or long hair or wavy hair or maybe in a totally different color. That is an option. The second option is to go into a physical store, a wig store, and try out more than one wigs and see how do you look like. Maybe you never saw yourself in a brunette or in a red hair or in a brown or in curly hair, and you would like to see that. Well, that would be a good idea. Another idea is to go online, of course, and look at lots of wigs and see which one you would think that you may like to purchase. Now for this, I suggest to check out not expensive wigs because you may not know yet what color you want, what cut you want, what length you want, what style you want. So if you pick a different wigs, maybe 3 or 4, and at a low price, then it's not a big investment. It is not a high and long commitment. And this is a good idea. And this is my professional advice for you. So you can see, you can try them on. So you can buy one, check them out, and see if you like. And then if you feel comfortable, then you go to a professional, yes, you go to a professional hairdresser, a master hair colorist that would advise you and guide you how to get your final look. But today, I have a surprise for you. I am going to transform myself into using 4 different wigs now and show you how I look like, and perhaps you could visualize yourself looking at me when I'm trying them on. So let's see. For the second one, I have selected this brown with auburn balayage, and also it has a dark brown at the root. This is layer bob. It's a very nice, and it has some kind of a V at the bottom. It's not so straight at the bottom, and it has some long lace, and it has a long bangs. And of course, I'm going to try every single one of these wigs to show you how they look. For the second one, I have selected this nice, and this is a fun one. This is a nice and curly. This is a dark blonde, and this has some little highlight, and this is it has a short bangs, short curly bangs that you can bring it down or bring them up. And of course, I will model this for you. Now, all these wigs are synthetic, and I have purchased them on Amazon, and each one of these wigs are under $30, which I think this is a very good investment if you're not sure what length, what cut, what style you would like to do, and what color you may want to do. It is a good investment to have. If you're in between a meeting, you're going to an errand and you do not have time to fix your hair, or you have a big hair day, this is great. You can even purchase the same wigs with your hair, your same hair color, same cut. That's also possible. But this is a good idea if you into the process of getting a new look. I do like the inside. Again, they're not very cheap. Not very expensive. So I mean, for under $30, they look very good, and they also feel very good. And I will model them for you at the end. Now, this one is a layer bob. It has a nice layer. This is a dark. It has a dark and some little bit of highlight, some kind of auburn highlight, and it has a bangs in here. So this is a very nice. This is a very this is very trending hairstyle, very in high demand right now, this kind of hairstyle. And also this one is under $30. So this is also a very good buy. You can't, it's easy, you can't adjust it. So, and all these wigs, of course, they are synthetic. They're not real hair, because they're under $30, so which is a very good price. So this is my fourth wigs, and this is a blonde. This is has lots of undertone, a shadow, dark shadow, root at the root, dark brown. I like that. And this is dark brown with lots of it has a lot of detail, lots of balayage, lots of reverse ombre, a nice curly, loose curly. This is also a very trendy look, and this is also under $30. So this is a very good. It feels very good. They're all synthetic, but they are very good. As I say, if you are not sure about getting your hair cut, changing your hair color, or changing your style, switching to a wig, it's the best solution for you, because you can pick up a wig, you could try it on, and there's no commitment. And this is under $30, so why can you not losing that much? Actually, you're gaining under $30. This is a very, very good wigs. Okay, and then if you have a meeting and you don't have time, you just put the wig on and you are ready to go. So now I'm going to model for you each one of these wigs and let you see which one would you pick for you. Let's see. Now I have put my ponytail on, and you know, when it comes to ponytail, you can pick them exactly the color of your hair. Now I do change my hair color often. I low light or do a little bit of transition between the season, but you could see it looks very nice if you have to go somewhere and you are between a meeting and you don't have time to do your hair and you have a bed hair. They look how nice it looks. And again, as I share with you, it doesn't have to be that long. It could be short, curly, or it could be a little short and wavy. So this is a very good look for, you know, a business meeting or just going out. Just this is very nice. I love a ponytail because it's fun. A ponytail is very good if you're between stage of letting your hair grow and your hair is not long yet and you want to give a chance to your hair to grow but you don't want to trim. The ponytail is your hair solution. So let's see the second one. Now let's do that auburn one, and we're going to try this one on. It's very easy. So this is the dark brown and it has some low light, some dark brown auburn, and it's darker, almost black at the end. And this is a layer bob, and I had this for a very long time. I really like this one. This is very easy. See how easy it was for me to put this wig on. This gives you some idea if you don't know how you will look like as a brunette, then this is the right choice because you're not committing. You just purchasing a wig that you're going to try on. I would suggest to purchase more than maybe 3 or 4 like I did and see what do you like, because like this you do not have any commitment. You try it on, you see, I mean, like this color, this might be too flat for me. I like the bangs, but I would like to have something else. So this is a good way. So, and this is the back, and I have worn this for work so many times. Nobody knew. I'd say, oh, you cut your hair. So yes, so let's see the second one. So this is the second one. This is a short curly. This is a fun style. And I do have a lot of hair, so I may have too much hair for me for this one. I may need a little bit bigger. But I just purchased this just to show you. So if you do not know what color, what style, this is the best way to go, is to purchase the different wigs and see how would you look like in a totally different style. It's just, and then when you have try on more than 3 to 4 wigs and you have decided, oh, this is really what I like, and you like the style, you like the cut, you like the color, you like everything, then just pick the wig, go to a professional hairstylist and say, this is what I would like to look like at the end. And that is a very good, part. So let's look into a different one, and at the end you can tell me which one you like. Now this is another look. This is the mid-length layer bob again, and this is a darker shade of blonde. The only thing that I would say about this is the color. I will not do the shadow root black because it looks like you need a regrow, and that's the only thing I would say about this. As a professional hairstylist that I used to, I think that it looks it's too dark compared to this. But I do like the cut. The cut is nice. I like the feeling. I do feel like this wig has a bit too much of a hair. It's too much. But remember, the objective of this was for you to try to see what color, what cut, and what style would you like to go. So this is a darker blonde. I would say not for the, I would say I don't want that black. But I like the style. The style is very good. And this is a, if you look the style, this is a beach wave curl. That's what it is, okay? So this is a very nice style for every day, for business, for going out. This is very pretty. So this is a good way to go if you're onto changing your style and your hair color. So let's do one more and we see. Now, this is a dark brown and it has some auburn highlight. And this is, again, this is made almost asymmetrical bob, because it's longer on the front and shorter on the back. And it also, it still has this beach wave. I really like this one. Now, I like this one. It's not as thick as the one before. This is much nicer. I like this one. But again, the purpose of this is to see what style, what color, what would you like to go on to your next horizon with your new look for the year 2024. So this is fun, and let's see what do we have more. So for you, I have an idea. Is, let's say that you would like to have some highlight, or not sure about how light you want your hair to be, or maybe you would like to have some low light. To get this little hair extension, those are clip-on, and they're very easy. This is real hair, and they're a little bit expensive, but not so expensive. So that's also would be an idea to go on if you would like to try to go and have some highlight and you would like to see yourself, but you don't want to commit yet. So that would be a very good idea to have a highlight. These are clip-on, and see the fact that they clip on, you're not really damaging your hair, and you can just use them on just today and just take them off the next day. And even you can get them a different color. You see how pretty they are. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. This is Chantal Ponce. I always try to bring you something that can be educational, that can enhance your natural beauty, that can address your idea, new idea to reinvent yourself every day. Please do not forget to subscribe and give a like. Don't forget to click on the button in there. And next time I will do again a very interesting video for you. And please let me know what one did you like, what color would you like, and give me some idea what would you like to see next on prochaine video. This is Chantal Ponce. Au revoir, merci et à très bientôt.